Hello friends, let us discuss a question asked in GATE 2018 in Civil Engineering in the forenoon session. The subject here is Transportation Engineering and the question says the speed density relation is given as, we have a graph, speed and density relationship, and he is saying that the flow density relation will be, then he has four options: piecewise linear, parabolic, linear and then parabolic, and parabolic and then linear. So if you see the variation over here, what is happening is the speed is constant. The speed is constant. We know that Q is equals to K into V. Q equal to K into V. This particular thing is constant, and if you see over here, the density is increasing. If V is constant and density is increasing, that means it is directly proportional. When it is directly proportional, that means the relation for Q, it will be linear. It will be, in the initial phase, it will be linear. So, it will be linear. Next, in the next phase, what is happening is, the speed is decreasing. The speed is decreasing and density is increasing. That means, it is approaching the jam density. And when it is approaching the jam density, your flow will also decrease. So, and we know that for density and flow, we have a parabolic relation. So, option C, according to this variation, initially it will be linear and then the variation will be parabolic. So, option C is the correct option for this particular question. This particular question is a memory-based question, and again, if you have any doubts in the question or in the options, kindly contact us on the number which is provided on the board. Thank you.